Welcome to our channel Life Insights. As our friends have told us to make a video on the great spiritual master Sri Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, we are involved with making one. Undoubtedly, Sri Ramakrishna is one of the greatest masters of spirituality. Since our channel is concerned with spirituality, we are interested to tell his story from the spiritual point of view. Sri Ramakrishna was born in a remote and small village, namely Kamarpukur in West Bengal. Later, Sri Ramakrishna was brought to Dakshineswar by his elder brother Ramkumar. After few years, Ramakrishna became the chief priest of the Dakshineswar Kali temple. The Kali temple was constructed by Rani Rasmani, who was also a devotee of Kali. Now, what Ramakrishna's life teaches us, about that only we are concerned with. We are less concerned about his biography. Ramakrishna used to meditate throughout the day. Simultaneously, he used to do pujas also. He used to make all the arrangements for the puja of goddess Kali. Later, he got a guru, Totapuri, who taught him the secrets of Vedanta. Vedanta deals with Advaita. Advaita means the oneness of life. Hence, Ramakrishna learnt the secrets of oneness of life. Ramakrishna was so interested in spirituality. He was passionate to understand the secrets of life. Later, Bhairavi Brahmani also helped him to go very deep into meditation. The contribution of Totapuri and Bhairavi Brahmani cannot be neglected. Later, Sri Ramakrishna married Sri Sarada Devi, who was the divine consort of him. Sarada Devi was a devoted wife who always took care of him. They lived an ideal life as far as Indian way of life. Sarada Devi was also a great spiritual personality. Now, what do we understand from his life story? From his life story, we can very easily understand that meditation is the most important and integral part of our life. Spirituality cannot be without meditation. Now and then, Ramakrishna used to meditate. He could very easily enter into Nirvikalpa Samadhi, which was considered to be the ultimate stage of life. If you want to understand the secrets of life, we have to go into Nirvikalpa Samadhi. Many of the devotees used to come to visit Sri Ramakrishna. Sri Ramakrishna and his divine consort Sri Sarada Devi treated all of them with great love and care. They led a very simple life. We have to learn the simplicity of Sri Ramakrishna and his divine consort Sri Sarada Devi. We can learn so many things from Sri Ramakrishna. Sri Ramakrishna was not at all educated, but he is more than an educated person. He is a man of wisdom. He is a giant in spirituality as far as our view is concerned. Once he used to go on the roads of Calcutta. One person uttered Jai Sri Ram. By hearing this, immediately he went into Samadhi. His disciples who were accompanying him were forced to take care of him. Then he came to consciousness after few hours. Such was the divine condition of Sri Ramakrishna. Later, Sri Ramakrishna was suffering from throat cancer. He was on the deathbed. At the time, Sri Sarada Devi asked him, after death, where would he go? He simply replied that now he is here in this room. After death, he will go to the adjacent room. That means he simply told that man is immortal. If one can meditate, we can experience that dimension of life. To experience the unknown, we must meditate. That's why in our channel also we are always telling that meditation must be an important and integral part of any spiritual aspirant. We can learn this one from the great master Sri Ramakrishna's life. Due to throat cancer, Sri Ramakrishna passed away. In this place, we have to note that three most important spiritual masters, namely Sri Ramana Maharishi of Thiruvannamalai, J. Krishnamurti, and Sri Ramakrishna. All these three persons passed away due to cancer. Those who are in high spiritual status, they actually don't care about their physical conditions. They have transcended the physical body. They can live with life and death simultaneously. They have the first-hand knowledge of life and death. Such depth they have in their life. Hence, we must be ready to learn from Sri Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. Once again, we will be coming up with another one video explaining another one aspect of life. Thanks for watching.